Hi, welcome to Unit 6.6. It is about changing in demand and supply as technology advances. An increase in demand. An increase in demand shifts the market demand curve rightward. The price rises and the quantity increases. Starting from long-run equilibrium, firms make economic profits. Figure on the next slide illustrates the effects of an increase in demand. The market demand curve shifts rightward. The price rises and each firm increases the quantity it produces. So this is the figure. The market price is now above the market's minimum average total cost, ATC. So firms make economic profit. Economic profit induced some firms to enter the market, which increases the market supply and the price starts to fall. As the price falls, the quantity produced by all firms start to decrease and each firm's economic profit starts to fall. Eventually, enough firms have entered for the supply and increased demand to be in balance, and firms make zero economic profit. Firms no longer enter the market. The main difference between the initial and new long-run equilibrium is the number of firms in the market. More firms produce the equilibrium quantity. A decrease in demand has the opposite effect to those just described and shown in figure on slide just now. A decrease in demand shifts the demand curve leftward. The price falls and the quantity decreases. Firms incur economic losses. Economic loss induces exit. The short-run market supply curve shifts leftward. As the market supply decreases, the price stops falling and starts to rise. With a rising price, each firm increases its output as it moves along up its marginal cost curve, also known as supply curve. A new long-run equilibrium occurs when the price has risen to equal minimum ATC. Firms make a zero economic profits and firms have no incentive to exit the market. In the new equilibrium, a smaller number of firms produce the equilibrium quantity. Next subtopic is about technological advances change supply. Starting from a long-run equilibrium, when a new technology becomes available that lowers production cost, the first firms to use it make economic profit. But as more firms begin to use the new technology, market supply increases and the price falls. Figure on the next slide illustrates the effects of an increase in supply. So look at this figure. We have three parts. Part A shows the market. Part B shows a firm using the original old technology. Firms are making zero economic profit. When a new technology becomes available, the ATC and MC curve shift downward. Firms that use the new technology make economic profit. Economic profit induced some new technology firms to enter the market. The market supply increases and the price starts to fall. With the lower price, all technology firms incur economic losses. Some exit the market, others switch to the new technology. Eventually, all firms are using new technology. The market supply has increased and firms are making zero economic profit. That's all for Unit 6.6. Thank you.